From childcare to public education, workforce remained a major theme at the General Assembly last week. We're watching several proposals that could affect working families, employers, and the long-term talent pipeline in North Carolina. You're watching the Matthews Area Chamber Advocacy Update, and I'm Sarah Principe. It's May 11th, 2026. It was great to have chamber leadership and members in Raleigh last week, meeting with state legislators and sharing the priorities of our local business community. This is exactly why the Chamber's advocacy work matters. It gives us the opportunity to clearly articulate the issues that matter to local employers and make sure those perspectives are heard at the state level. We're grateful to everyone who participated and helped represent the business community as the General Assembly continued its short session work. Now, as mentioned last week, several childcare-related bills have been filed this session, and two are worth watching closely. House Bill 1086, sponsored by Representative Art, is scheduled to be heard this week in the House Health Committee. The bill focuses on childcare workforce and provider support. It would create a pilot program for career-ready lead teacher academies, expand mental and behavioral health services in childcare settings, make reforms related to childcare center administrators, study liability insurance options for providers, and update Smart Start bidding requirements. Another bill of note is Senate Bill 1042, sponsored by Senator Bergen. This bill would direct sports wagering revenue to child welfare, foster care, and child care services. That includes $75 million annually for child care and $25 million for foster care and child welfare. It would also support higher child care subsidy rates, extend a tri-share child care program, and require the state to develop a plan for a statewide child care subsidy reimbursement rate floor by December 1st. From a chamber perspective, childcare remains a workforce issue. When parents can't find or afford care, employers feel the impact through hiring challenges, absenteeism, and reduced workforce participation. These bills show continued legislative attention to childcare as an economic priority. Also last week, North Carolina's Blue Ribbon Commission on Public Education held its first meeting. The bipartisan commission is supported by Governor Stein, Senate President Pro Tem Phil Berger, House Speaker Destin Hall, and business leaders across the state. The group will review issues like teacher preparation, school leadership, accountability, administrative operations, and student achievement, all with the broader goal of improving long-term education outcomes and workforce readiness in North Carolina. That's all for today. We'll continue tracking these and other policies that could impact businesses in Matthews. Until next time, I'm Sarah Principe, and this has been the Matthews Area Chamber Advocacy Update.